Here we have HTC Touch Diamond 2, new company flagship, which replaces popular HTC Touch Diamond device. At the bottom of the handset there is a mini USB port which can be used for charging, syncing, and also headphones. And of course we have a stylus for touchscreen navigation, and it turns on the device when you take it out. The front is taken by the big 3.2-inch touchscreen, and the top is metallic, as are the top sides of the device. Here we have a speaker and on and off button, and of course there are volume controls. And the rest of the device is made of glossy plastic. Here's a 5 megapixel camera, and as you see, Touch Diamond 2 doesn't have this diamond shape bottom cover. Instead, for smooth glossy plastic. The battery in Touch Diamond 2 is 1100 milliamperes, and beneath the battery goes the SIM card. And on the side of the device, near the stylus, we have a hot swap microSD memory card slot that allows you to change the memory cards without turning off the device. And as the bottom of the handset we have 4 physical keys, which is answer button, Windows key, and back and cancel button, which also doubles up as a home key. And above the keys we have a zoom bar, which allows you to zoom in and out in various applications like gallery and maps. There is also at the top of the device's LED sensor which blinks when you get a message or the power is low, ambient light sensor, and also VGA camera for video calls. So let's turn Touch Diamond 2 on and see what it's got inside. As you see, the screen is significantly bigger, and it comes with updated TouchFlow 3D interface. At the top we have a notification bar where the device shows you the network status like Wi-Fi, 3G connection, and also the area where all your information about new messages, missed calls, and other notifications are displayed. And when you press the start button at the top, you are taken to the menu and applications, where you can add new apps very easily. Press plus and you take into the list of apps, then press on the application, and the application is there. And then with a single tap you can as easily remove it from the list, so your menu is not too cluttered. Let's look at the available settings for the device. The settings interface is custom HTC, which looks pretty good, but you can also very easily access the native Windows Mobile settings menu and access all settings there, because the HTC settings screen is displaying only the most used and most popular settings. Let's go through them. HTC Touch Diamond 2 got a set of available wallpapers, so you can change the appearance of your home screen. Also, when you press on communications, there is a very neat layout right now made, where the on and off button is on the right side, the list of submenus or the list of available options is on the name. When you press on it, you get, let's say for example on Bluetooth, you got a list of the available Bluetooth devices. Wi-Fi will give you the list of available Wi-Fi networks to connect to, and also, let's say the phone option. The phone takes you to the phone settings screen, where you can set all things for the phone. And HTC Touch Diamond 2 allows you to customize various tabs. And there's an interesting feature, My Contact Card, where you can enter all your contact information and then later send it to your friends. So no need to type it every time you want to send it. And then a G sensor, which turns on or off the screen rotation, and also the possibility for G sensor calibration. And now let's take a look at the features of the phone, and most important among them is the Contacts app, and HTC did a very good job with its own custom Contacts app for Diamond 2. Nice 3D effects, picture and name integration, but that's not what's very interesting. The best part is how they arranged all other things to work with it, and when you go to the Persons tab, you can sort through all the grouped messages from that person, missed calls, emails, all this in one place, which is very neat and very nice to see. In the Call tab, which is a nice keyboard, and also there are options for each number. When the person is listed, you get to his Contacts tab. When the number is not in your contact book, you get an option to add that number to your address book with the pictures and all other details. Another interesting contact integration is with the Google Maps, and when there is an address of the person, you press on it and you are taken to the Google Maps map view, and the location of that person is shown on the map, and all Google Map features is available for that. You can do a search, for example, you want to search for a meeting place somewhere near him, you find a restaurant like Pizza Hut, and you then can agree to meet with him here. Other navigation features is also available here, and that takes us to the navigation applications in Touch Diamond 2. Diamond 2 doesn't have native navigation software, and as we already shown you, it uses pretty well integrated Google Maps. But third-party software can be installed from any vendor that provides Windows Mobile compatible navigation. And Google Maps work pretty well on the device, and what's even better is that all the Google the map services is available. It's directions and also Google latitude, and it works pretty well with built-in GPS sensors, so you can get around any city in the world pretty easily. And if you want something more like specialized navigation for driving or walking, then you can buy it from any third-party vendor, because most of them provide their packages optimized for Windows Mobile.